Ghana phone na ni titire asante mampon ema empedifo a ekabia ewom enwa asante mampon ye chia obi biara na ye de enkrato e5 fidikase yiso ama ye party empedifo a ewo regional level national level akosi ye papa his excellency John Dramani Mahama eho yes semina eyetiawa mampon NDC ye to aba ebire bi atwamu no mampon NDC vote less than 4,000. But you know, I go through system of metamorphosis. And your vote over 16,000. And the question, and the public and the party see what about this so. And Southford and I did the our party. Almost all MC. Party party our region. Yeah, just let's do and Jamakama Mohammed. Yakubu Yusuf, the parliamentary candidate, and Alaji Moro are also a former chairman. Southford and I am Mama Kwenya said, Omotuaso International, not Umubago MC. Yakota Soria, a dear yet to say, Yabodi in Kufra, and Free Sami and Saimu. Namampo NDC. Say, I know Southford now, Mampo NDC, and to me, Uncle So. NDC votes in Yanamanpoha. NDC votes in Yanamanpoha. Don't do every communities are a young ordinance and a home. Can I say a dimmy and Salo? I call you Sremudinti. Yes, it's Sremni, I MC Mampoa, and yes, but Sremni to a Baba party no Mampoa. And you have before you catch them. Yeah, Sremni, I'm over MC. Yeah, Sremni, Afrinipami and San Mubako. I'm over MC, our Mampo. It is Omuti and Gap, and we never saw my Mampo NDC. Every election, I'm so what did yes, I'm pumping for say, I won't press it to the Muniba MC. Now you choose it as a now what can it you on? That's the kind of one Yana. Hey, oh, happy be you, can't already you. Honorable Yakubu Chama Moro Mampo NDC you to this and you move back a mumpo bia out there police Boys in any abre. Boys in any abre pa. Hey, that's my fault. Motoguom, Ikunya, Tables, Ujabi Oho. Yeah, as I Asante Mampo NDC office. This amano ko na nya Asante Fordia. Ghana nyina dia. Eti you obi na say o say o e not anti empere dia dia so empe obi a dia pe adi we. Eja no. Regional minister why for ya di that is all the diniko never put you on my bomb now say ya put me asante for never no my ya chibo ya because the problem na mu wasi na be ya askosta small girl papa trim na be akufo na me askosta omunyina ye and then the is MC position. You say a magunu and a two or musi 1 year. Now, Juma and the boy I am a party. The Japan said party here and they said Juma my year was about fashion. Then you go to the Juma situation. Now they won't live. That is said, for the sake of penalty. Now they are going to about your constituency. So by your constituency muha ade ba kwa make am for biama o maso akoso say over your constituency muha ya 28 elected assembly you can say executives over only 3 and the accounts the akani na ya not this so by your branch na ya wo muha na your branch no executives no ya 1260 who breaking it down not necessarily 888 so far tribes no ne akana 300 and something aka edaso eti ya besrem ye ni na ye nim se eya omampani John Dramani Mahama ni dia oye ba ye nim se emra ye call vetting on be pick 4 na nipa 8 na ye den e call ye ema mienu emema ensia e ko wie ye no na chema camel Honorable Yusuf Yakubu a parliamentary candidate no and a large moro a former chairman edino na eko ye fra o mo se o mbra kra ye kwa ye na ti say edino ye enu ba de e wa ni se ye wo letter e wa ha edi adanse ye se letters abase o mo pe akanni eno de se sa na ye de ba de ye wo videos na ye betimi de a kire se ye de ba sa na se party na ye pese ye se assess na no me se o mo be ma o mu ni na akọ na akra ho and no bet no ma ya ba se ko wie na latest eba but e be say o mo pe any videos say o mo pa kan ni dia na je so mo be say o mo kire say not necessarily to abandon ma e ya party o mo nya say ya mo say no ene say akanfo mfra but e ya dia etia e ya corona dia etia be sire se party ne be say e ko ya ni mu a me say pepe yo e na ye ni na ye it's a best party for where you sick of any man Ghana Fuanina, Nititi Asante Mampon Emma, and Benifua Ekabia, a woman and Asante Mampon. Yet Obibiara. Now you're the Engratua and 5 for the Gassia. So I'm your party and Benifua at one regional level, national level. I go see your Papa, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yes, Semina Ayatiawa, Mampo NDC. You're 2 about a baby at Tamu. No Mampo NDC vote, less than 4,000. But you know, I go through system of metamorphosis. And then your vote over 16,000. And the question, and the party is you about this. I do Southern and I did the our party. Almost all with MC. I'm a party party, our region. Yes, just let's do a move. I am Jamakama Mohammed. Yakubu Yusuf, the parliamentary candidate, and Alaji Moro are also a former chairman. Southern and I am Mama Kenya said, Omotuaso International, not Umubago MC. Yakota Soria, a dear yet to say, Yabodi in Kufra. And free Sami and Saimu. Mampo NDC. Say, I guess I'm for now. Mampo NDC. And to me, Uncle So. NDC goes in Mampo. And this was a young man for her. Don't do every community, sir. A young ordinance and a home. I can say a dimmy and salon. I call you with yes, it's me. I am CEO Mampoa. And yes, but I'm need to a party no Mampoa. And you're body for your catcher. Yeah, Pesramni, I'm over MC. Yeah, Pesramni, Afri Pami and San Mubako. I'm over MC, our Mampo. It is almost a gap. I'm going to say, Mampo NDC. Every election, I'm a brand. So what did you